Alright, what's going on, everybody? Today we're going to check out the COMICA CVM-WM100 PLUS. It's a UHM wireless microphone system. It says it works up to 100 meters, dual channels, auto scanning, and IR sync. It works for anything with XLR. You can hook it up straight up to your camera. You can hook it up to a smartphone. Alright, so in this pack you get 2 transmitters and a receiver. It says it lasts up to 6 hours. Alright, let's open it up and see what comes inside really quick. Alright, so as soon as you open it, it comes in a nice, very nice case. It has 2 compartments. Let's see if there's anything in this first compartment. In this first compartment, we have all of, I'm assuming, all the wires. I'll just take everything out and we'll go through it. Here we have a USB to USB micro, or micro. Here we have XLR to a 3.2. Here we have 3.2 to 3.2. Here is one of the lavalier microphones. This is just another lavalier mic. Here is a dead cat for the lavalier mic. This is just another one. And here we have the clips for the back of the microphones, or the back of the receiver and the transmitters. Let's open up this other compartment. It has a nice, very nice handle. So here we go. Have the instruction manual. Oh, here we have a adapter, so you can, I guess, put it right onto your camera, or yeah. All right, so here we have. This is the transmitter, or the receiver, sorry. You see that? This is the receiver. Here has, so you can put onto a tripod. Battery compartment. But it also has a USB for charging. I don't know, maybe just running it off the power, because I don't know if these take normal batteries. Don't think you can charge it unless you have rechargeable batteries, but I'm not sure if that works that way. But I guess you can run this off of USB power. All right, so this is the receiver. These are the transmitters. Actually, let's look around really quick. We have some buttons. Like I said, we have the adapter for the tripod. Here we have the out going into the camera. We have the IR. You can put headphones into this port. So here we get, once again, we'll look at one of these. These are the transmitters. You have the line in. You have the mic. So you can put, I'm assuming, like, plug your phone or something that's throwing audio out. And then you can plug your lavaliers right into here. Again, we have the USB power. But we have a battery compartment. Takes 2 AA's, so I'm not quite sure. I'll plug a USB into it and see how that works. I guess I actually do that right now. Oh, so yeah, you can actually just plug a USB right into it and it turns right on. So I mean, you could get one of these little small battery packs and just put that on there if you want, like just like that. Get some Velcro or something. But that's a pretty cool option. So if your batteries die and you don't have any, you can always just plug a USB right into it. Alright, so we have the receiver plugged in and we have a transmitter plugged in. You can see them both. Let's go really quick through this transmitter, the receiver. So we have an A and a B channel. It's called group A, group B. Right now the B is on, so you can see the microphone jumping because I have the microphone plugged into this transmitter. So you'll see that. Here we have output mode. You can change it from mono to stereo. Settings for group A, settings for group B, group A settings power on, so you change that to on and off. Group A settings volume, so you can change the volume for that. Let's go to we get auto scan channels for channel A, sync, so we can sync the microphones because it has the IR. Backlight, we can change the backlight from 15 seconds. Let's see. So 0, 15, 30, 60. So 0, 15, 30, and 60. Reset. Tells you the version 1.2.8. Alright, let's see. We can change the channels on the groups. From 0 to channel 47. So to change the settings, you have to go in here, hit group B. And now we're on group B settings. So we can go go back, change the volume. So it goes from 0 to 15 decibels on here. Auto scan. And then it hits. You hit the button. It says you want it says auto scan ? You hit yes. And it'll start scanning. It put it on channel 9, so it says channel 9 is the best channel for the signal that we're getting. I don't know if that worked too well because now I don't see the bar moving on here for the audio, so we're not getting audio. So I don't know if you have to also do it on here. So I guess you would have to go in here manually and change it to channel 9. 1, 2, 1, 2. Yo. Oh, I had the volume down to 0. All right. 2, 1, 2. So yeah, so that doesn't change the channel. So you have to go in here manually and change the channel for the transmitter. 1, 2. So yeah, you can see that's moving again. All right, let's take a look at the transmitter. All right, so here we have the group.With settings. So obviously you could change these microphones to A or B, whichever one you want. Low cut filter off, you can turn that on, or you put it low, high, and off. RF power, not quite sure what that is. Muting, so you can mute. You can change the backlight on this one as well. Reset, and then the version, and that's pretty much it for that. I will plug this in now just to see, give you an audio check just to see how it sounds, and then later on we will do a distance test. So let's plug this in right now and just get the audio from here. All right, so I have the receiver plugged into my camera. This is one of the transmitters. So this is a test just so you can hear the audio coming from the COMICA CVM-WM100 PLUS. Hopefully it sounds good. I won't know until I put it into my computer. This is going to be unedited, no filters or anything like that. So you're hearing the audio coming straight from this microphone system. Later on, we will do a distance test. How I will do that is I will plug my phone into one of the transmitters and I will play a tone. So you'll just hear the beep, like a beep, like beep. And then every time I'll walk as far as possible. And if you hear a break in the beep, you know we lost connection. So we'll do that. All right, so really quick, I'm going to just show you what you will hear when I'm doing the distance test. So I'll plug that in right now. Actually, I'll play it really quick. So you will hear that, but I will plug it into the microphone or into the transmitter. I'll show you right now. All right, so that'll be the noise that you hear. You'll hear that constantly, but if you hear a break in that sound, you'll know there's been a connection issue. So we'll do that now, and then that'll be the end of the video. All right. Hope this helped you. If it didn't, let me know. If you have any questions, also let me know. If it did help, give me a thumbs up or whatever you want. Leave me a comment, and that's it. Have a good one.